वृंदे नमस्ते चरणारविंदम वृंदे नमस्ते चरणारविंदम राजाविराजं अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामिराजं मधुरास्मितास्तं पदामिराजं करुणाभवद्रं ततो ममान्नास्ति गतिर्नता श्यामसुन्दरशिखण्डशेखरं स्मरहासमुरलीमनोहरं राधिकारसकर्मं कृपानिधे क्षप्रिया चरणा किङ्करीं कुरु संविदादसमुखिनं विभो प्रार्थये ब्रजनन्दनन्दनाम् अस्तु महान् तवातिवल्लभा जन्म जन्मनि मदीश्वरी प्रियं प्राणनाथ विषभानुनन्दिनी श्रीमुखाब्जरासलोलसकापदं राधिकामदकैकदास्तुतिं तं भजामि रसिकेन्द्रशेखरं वंशी विभूषितकरान्नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरादरुणबिम्बफलादृष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परमतत्त्वं किमपि अहं न जानामि श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद सभी बोलिए हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सबसे पहले गुरुपाद पद्म नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतस्य श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांतम श्री वामन गोस्वामी महाराज एवं शिक्षा गुरु एवं सन्यास गुरु नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतस्य श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांतम श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की चरण कमल की अनंत करोड़ साष्टांग धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतस्य श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं मंचस्थ विराजमान प्रबोध्य चरण
भक्ति वेदांत
शांत महाराज एवं प्रबोध्य चरण श्रीपाद रहीन प्रभु एवं समस्त वैष्णव वैष्णववृंद मातृवृंद गौरगत सज्जन वृंद
हरिकथा पिपासु
सत्यवृंद एवं परम स्नेहशिला मातृवृंद सभियों के मेरा सादर अभिनंदन है। आज बहुत
So today is very auspicious day, and it is very pleasure thing to us that we are under the guidance of Guru and Vaishnav. We are sitting here, and especially today, so our dear Sunita Didi and his family and his husband Mr. Rana, so they organize a program here. So they have organized a spiritual program here. So whenever there is a cloud in the sky, so it means that it's raining. It's about to rain. It's about to rain. So today is the mercy of the Lord,
3 बजे तक बारिश नहीं होगी। कितने तक?
3 बजे तक
3-4 बजे
there is a
तक
cloud in the sky today, so anytime rain can be it can be rain, but the thing is it is the mercy of God that before 3 there will be no rain according to our Gurudev. So last time we were here, so it was raining.
आज में बादल भी छाए हुए हैं।
So today is cloud in the sky. It may be rain today,
किंतु हमारे श्रीमद् भागवत में कहते हैं,
but it is said in the Shrimad Bhagavatam,
न दुर्दिनम सद्दिनम दुर्दिनम मन्ने निराच्छन्न न दुर्दिनम। देखो आकाश में
Look.
बादल छाए नहीं,
if there is a cloud in the sky and if it is raining,
उस दिन को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं?
so what we say that day,
क्या बोलते हैं दिन?
rainy day,
दुर्दिन कहा है।
Durdin. That is a
उस दिन को
bad
क्या
day.
कहते हैं?
That is a bad day.
अरे जोर से तो बोलो।
Arey, speak loudly. That is a Durdin. It means bad day.
अच्छा दिन नहीं है।
It is not the auspicious day. Why?
बारिश होने से
So
दुकान
because
खोल नहीं पाएंगे।
it's raining, so nobody can open their shop.
नहीं आएगा।
So no customer will come.
बेचा देना नहीं होगा।
So they are not able to sell any product.
इसलिए जिस दिन हमारे पैसा नहीं आता
So
है,
if we are not getting money any day, so that is our bad day. That is Durdin.
सुदीन हम लोग किसको कहते हैं?
And what is the auspicious day?
जिस दिन
The good day.
चकाचक
Whenever we are getting so much money.
पैसा आ जाता है।
So according to this material world, if you are getting money, so that is a good day for us.
तो उस दिन के कहा जाता है सुदीन का।
That is a
किंतु हमारे
good
श्रीमद्
day.
भागवत में
But in the Shrimad Bhagavatam,
और दुर्दिन के
it is
बारे में
explained that
कहा
what is Sudin, what is the bad day and what is the good day.
इस दिन
When
संत महात्मा समागम होता है।
when there is
क्या होता है?
where there is a spiritual concern is happening, you know,
और हरि
when
कथा होती है।
when
उस
there
दिन
is a
क्या
Hari
कहा
Katha
जाता
in
है?
someone's house, that is a Sudin, that is a good day. And if there is no Hari Katha in any home, so that is a bad day.
इसलिए सुदिन की परिभाषा यह है।
So the definition of good day is, so if you are hearing the Hari Katha under the guidance of Guru and Vaishnav, so that is our good day.
जितने आप बैंक में जमा करके रखे आए, पूरा जन्म में जितने आप
So whatever you have collected in your previous birth, so what you will get according to your previous birth, previous karma, you will get the money in this birth. So it means that whatever you have saved the money in your bank, you will get the same.
दे सकते हैं। क्या होता है? बैंक करते हैं।
Maybe the bank is
कि पैसा उधार
bank
हो
is
जाता
corrupt.
है।
So sometimes you cannot get money, but
अथवा आजकल तो लोग डुप्लीकेट साइन करा
so there are many peoples, they are doing duplicate signs and they are going to bank and they are taking your money. But in a spiritual way,
कर्म जो करके
whatever we have done in our previous birth, so there is no cheating, no mistake by the Lord. So you will get the same thing according to your karma, whatever you have done in your previous birth, in your previous life, so you will get the same according to your previous karma.
अच्छी कर्म करके
So
आए हैं तो
if you have done good deeds, you will get the good fruit, good result, and if you have done the bad things, bad karma, you will get the bad fruit.
बबुल के बीज अपने लगाया,
So if you ripe the babul, so you will get thrown, and if you ripe the mango, you will get mango.
और आम के बीज आपने लगाया, क्या आएगा? अरे जोर से दे बोलो, आम आएगा। अभी आम के सीजन हो गया ना।
So this is the mango season nowadays. So there are many kinds of mangoes here, many kinds of bananas here. People bring here devotees.
आम और केला खूब आ रहे हैं।
So there is so much mangoes and bananas
और
here.
वृंदावन में चलो।
So just take the mangoes and go to Vrindavan and just chant the name of Hari, Hari, Hari.
हम इसमें करें देखो।
So that's why I'm telling you.
हमारी जो है वो हमें पीछे पीछे चलता है।
So whatever we have done, it will come back to us. Whatever we are getting, sukh or dukh, it is according to our previous karma.
और
Sukh or dukh, whatever we are getting.
चाहते हैं।
Nobody wants sorrow. No one wants dukh. Anybody wants sorrow in this life? No, no one wants. Nobody wants.
कौन-कौन चाहते
Who
हैं?
wants happiness? Everybody wants happiness in this
चाहने वाले
world.
कोई है?
So raise your hand. Who wants happiness? Raise your hand. Who wants happiness? Everybody wants happiness here.
अच्छा दुख क्यों आ जाता है तब?
So why we are getting sorrow in this
आप
world?
चाहते नहीं हो,
So if you don't want the sorrow, then why it has come to your life? Because your previous birth. We all want happiness, but still we are getting the sorrows, miseries in this life. Why?
भागवत में कहते हैं,
So it is explained into the Bhagavad.
आरहो मानानाम दुख हतई सुखाय च पश्चित पाप विपर्य मिथुन चाइना नाम। संत सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद,
So Sukdev Goswami Pad said, "Hey Rajan, hey King Parikshit,
ध्यान से सुनिए,
listen to me very carefully.
हम इस संसार में कर्म करते हैं।
So
काम
what
करते हैं।
we do
जिससे
karma
काम
in
करते हैं।
this world. Why do we do? We want to get happiness. We want to earn money.
अर्थों के लिए हम क्या करते हैं?
So whatever we do,
मिल जाए,
whenever we get the money, what we do?
इसके सामग्री का हम
So we collect the ingredients of happiness.
कर्म करते करते हम धन इकट्ठा करते करते,
So while doing karma, we get so much money. So we have spent our whole life by earning money.
इसलिए कहते हैं कर्मण्यो भी आरोह मननम।
So karmannapi ahir
कर्म
mandanam.
तो करते हैं सुख प्राप्ति के लिए,
So we do karma for getting happiness.
काम करते करते हम थक जाते,
But at last we get tired while doing karma.
इसलिए कहते हैं
So that's why it is said.
देखो वो कर्म करो जो कुछ भी कर रहे हैं,
So whatever karma you are doing,
कर्म ही आपको लेकर के आ रहा है।
so whatever karma you are doing, so you will get the result of this karma next day, next year,
कर्म करके आए हैं,
or next birth. So whatever you are getting in this world, just because of your previous karma, nobody can give you sorrow, nobody can give you happiness. Your own karma give you happiness and sorrow. So what kind of karma, what types of karma you have done in your previous words, according to that you will get the result, sukh or dukh, happiness or sorrows or
वो
miseries.
अपने कर्मों आपकी करा लेते हैं, सुख और दुख। अभी इससे निवृत्ति कैसे हो? कैसे
So
हम इस
how-
कर्म की कैसे नाश कैसे करें?
How we can destroy this karma, how we can get rid of these karmas.
आपके पास आएगा।
So whatever karma you do, you will get the result.
कौन कौन फल बताया गया?
So we said mangoes.
बोलो,
What kind of karma we said?
सुख और
Sorrows and happiness.
आगे कि नहीं आएगा?
So according to karma you will get happiness and sorrow. While you are doing karma you will get sorrow or happiness, miseries or happiness.
कहते हैं,
So
उसके आगे हम चले।
so how we can go beyond all this karma? So perform
भक्ति
bhakti.
करने से दुख
So
अपने आप
while
दूर हो जाएगा।
after performing bhakti, your all kinds of sorrows, miseries will go away.
इसलिए भक्ति करना होता है।
So that's why you have to perform bhakti.
बड़े भक्ति क्या चीज है?
So what is bhakti?
एक बड़ी भगवान की सेवा ही भक्ति।
So perform the seva of Lord. Serving Lord is the
और कुछ
bhakti,
करना नहीं है।
nothing else.
इस कलियुग में
In this Kali Yuga,
इतनी सहज सरल बता दिया, क्या करना है?
in this Kali Yuga, it is very easy. Just chant the holy name of the Lord. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram.
Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
भगवत नाम कीर्तन।
So just chant the holy name of the Lord, Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and you will get the rid of all kinds of karma. So get the association of the sadhu and chant the holy name. So Mahaprabhu explained very nicely in a very simple way.
बड़ी वैष्णव सेवन और नाम संकीर्तन।
Just serve the Vaishnav and chant the holy name only.
वैष्णव की सेवा करो
Serve the Vaishnav
और क्या करो? हरिनाम
and chant the holy name, Harinam
आज
Kirtan.
हम लोग आए।
So today we have come to your house. Many kinds of Vaishnavas
अभी सभी
assembled
लोग
here.
वैष्णव है, कोई अवैष्णव है? आप
All are Vaishnav here. Nobody is a Vaishnav, non-devotee. All are Vaishnav. Nobody is non-Vaishnav here.
वैष्णव है? इसलिए
Trying to be, na?
सुनीता दीदी है?
Sunita Didi,
हैं? और PS राणा बोलो।
P.S. Rana Didi. We have come to the house of P.S. Rana and Sunita Didi.
कहाँ लिखा है?
ये रहा।
PS राणा लिखा है।
Usha Nivas.
कहाँ PS राणा जी कहाँ है?
Where is P.S. Rana?
अरे खड़े हो जाओ।
Raise your hand.
कम से कम सब-
P.S. Rana ji, come here. इधर आओ. Come here.
हाँ वो देखो
Look,
इतने विशाल आयोजन किया है।
so they have, you know,
इनके लिए थोड़ा जोर से आप ताली
organized a very nice program. Clap for him. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai.
हैं? देखो पिछले बार मैं आया था।
So last year I came here, last time.
बहुत विशाल अनुष्ठान
So
किया
they
है।
organized very nice program.
खाटू श्याम जी
Bhajan.
हैं,
So
उनकी
they
सूचना दी।
organized Khatu Sham Kirtan here. So I was so much pleased that time.
और अभी शुद्ध वैष्णव के
चलो
बुलाया,
माला डालो, माला
देखो,
प्रभु जी को माला पहनाओ,
यहाँ पर सुंदर चित्रपट रखा
माला
गया,
पहनाओ प्रभु जी को।
चित्रपट, कलश,
ऊपर से
सारे वैष्णव के बुलाए गए।
So they assembled so many bench Vaishnav, दोनों हाथ से माला छोड़ दो।
इनके माला मान लो, दान कर दो। बोलो
हरे कृष्ण बिहारी लाल की जय।
और वो दीदी के भी एक माला दे दो।
एक दीदी को माला दो, ये लो।
हाँ।
अरे नहीं, उधर से दे दो।
वो
ठाकुर जी के बगल में है। हाँ,
ये वाली। So
अरे इतना वैष्णव सेवा करें,
so they are serving Vaishnav. So
सेवा की फल होनी चाहिए ना, हम आप दे दो। बोलो वृंदावन
बिहारी लाल की जय। They are serving Vaishnav very nicely. They are very nice people. Are you getting?
आप लोग नहीं होते तो हम लेकर
Are you pleased? Ah, very nice, very nice.
हम तो कितने कहना कहीं कहीं के सेवा लोग करते रहते हैं, किंतु देखो सारे वैष्णव के बुला करके।
So if you are earning money, so you can spend your money somewhere else. But if you are spending your money in Vaishnav Seva,
हमारे चैतन्य
serving
महाप्रभु
Vaishnav,
क्या कहा?
so it is a very nice deed.
वैष्णव सेवा करो और नाम संकीर्तन।
So just Mahaprabhu told us one thing, that serve the Vaishnav and chant the holy name. Lao, serve the holy name, chant the
आप
Vaishnav.
नहीं तो काल जितने
And
वैष्णव
serve the Vaishnav and chant the holy name.
कहीं न कहीं आपको लगाना पड़ेगा, और नहीं लगाया तो क्या हो जाएगा, कोई नहीं कोई लेकर के जाएगा, जाएगा कि नहीं जाएगा। और कोई नहीं जाए तो आप जब शरीर छोड़ दोगे तो और दूसरे व्यक्ति आगे उसके ऊपर।
So if you are earning money and if you are not spending your money in serving Vaishnava, so what happen when you die?
करेगा वो।
Someone else will use your money. Maybe they can misuse. So whatever you are earning, serve your own self.
इसलिए प्रभु जी देखो,
So that's why Prabhuji every year he organizes a program, a spiritual program here.
ऐसे महान आत्मा होनी चाहिए।
So people should be
इसलिए हमारे साथ
like this. That's why it is said in our scriptures.
संत महात्मा
So in the house, Sant Mahatma
वो घर क्या बन जाता है?
came. So that is not a home only. It becomes a mandir. It becomes a Vrindavan.
हैं? आज हमारे रविंद्र प्रभु सुंदर कीर्तन सुनाएंगे।
So Rohinathan Prabhu,
हैं?
you know,
महाराज जी भी एक
perform a very nice kirtan here.
और ये वैष्णव लोग भी आए हैं।
All Vaishnav log, they
और देखो विदेश अमेरिका
or
से
many
भी आए हैं।
many Videshis are here. Vaishnav logs are here. They all are serving very nicely. They are doing kirtan nicely.
बोलीविया से आए
So
हैं।
many people are from Bolivia,
हैं?
America, Brazil.
हैं?
Brazil.
हाँ ब्राजील की तो बोला था।
Ah.
हैं?
People are
सारे
from
पृथ्वी के लोग अपने
Brazil. All the Prithvi's people came here.
बोलो वृंदावन बोलो।
So it becomes a Golok Vrindavan.
इतना सुंदर कथा आपने
So very nice auspicious katha was here.
धन के उपयोग जो है प्रयोग है उसको करना चाहिए। इसका हमारे कहते हैं जिस दिन घर में संत महात्मा पधारते हैं
So
वो गृह क्या बन जाता है?
in the house
बोलो
there
वृंदावन
are many
धाम
people
की
come.
जय।
It becomes Vrindavan. The saintly people come. It becomes Vrindavan.
वृंदावन आपके हृदय में है।
So Vrindavan is in your heart. Where is Vrindavan? Vrindavan is in your heart.
केवल आप हृदय के थोड़ा ओपन करो, खोलो, देखो आपको दिखाई पड़ेगा वृंदावन दिखेगा।
So if you peep inside your heart, then you will find out Vrindavan in your heart. So Vrindavan is nowhere. Vrindavan is in your heart. Just chant the holy name and serve the Vaishnav. It will. You can see Vrindavan in your heart.
सोने के हार दे दिया। क्या दिया? सोने का हार दे दिया।
किसको क्या दिया?
और हनुमान जी ने क्या की?
राम जी,
उसको दांत से
सीता जी.
काट काट कर देखने लगे। लक्ष्मण चिढ़ाने लगे। देखो,
So once Sita Devi gave a golden necklace to Lakshman ji. Necklace. When Lakshman said, "What is this?" So Sita ji, it is a golden necklace. So he said that what is the use of it? It is not for me. So it is nothing for me.
हंसी मजाक करने लगे। रामचंद्र कहने लगे लक्ष्मण
So Sita ji gave when first time to Lakshman, then Lakshman gave to Hanuman. So Hanuman said that what is the use of this necklace? He just biting that necklace by his teeth. So Sita said it is very costly ornaments and you are wasting it. So Hanuman said where there is no Harinam, there is no Ram Nam in anything, so it is useless for me. So that's why Hanumanji is not an ordinary monkey, he was Shivji. Ramchand said to Lakshman, don't play with Hanuman, don't make laughing, joking with Hanuman. He is very auspicious, he is very important, he is. So once when Lord Ram asked to Hanuman, this ornament is very costly, it is very precious, so why you have wasted it? So Hanuman said, so that he said, because I am not able to see Ram and Sita in this necklace, that's why it is useless for me. And so at that time Lakshman asked, so there is Ram Sita is in your heart. So he said that I will, if there is no Ram Sita in my heart, if there is no Ram Sita in my heart, then I will die myself. Then Hanumanji showed Ram Sita in his heart. So Hanuman ki jai. So everybody took the darshan of Ram Sita in the heart of Hanumanji. So where is Ram Sita? Ram Sita is in your heart. Sham. So Ram Sham. So there is no difference between Ram and Sham according to Tattva Siddhant. Gambhir. Ram Krishna the way. Krishna के जय.
और एक के नयन कैसे है?
गंभीर.
वो कौन है?
One name is
राम
चंद्र की जय. According to Ras Vichar, there is a difference between Ram and Krishna. Ram Krishna तो वो एक है, अंतर नहीं निमेश.
हृदय में आपके वृंदावन है.
So that's why Vrindavan is in your heart. So who resides in Vrindavan? Radha Krishna.
बोलो राधा रानी की.
So Radha Rani ki jai.
लोग वृंदावन दौड़ते रहते.
So people goes to here and there in Vrindavan.
आज संडे है ना.
Today is Sunday.
इतना भीड़.
There must be so much crowd in the Vrindavan today.
बोलो आगे बिहारी लाल की.
Guru Maa ke Pyari Lal ki jai.
हृदय में वृंदावन.
Arey
अपने हृदय में.
peep inside your heart. You will find Radha Krishna, Radha Vrindavan Chandra in your heart.
अपने घर में राधा गोविंद है.
There is Radha and Govind is in your heart. There is whose house?
घर में है.
So where is Radha Krishna?
सबके घर में
In your heart.
रखना चाहिए.
So everybody
इस स्थान के नाम क्या है?
everybody keep
सागरपुर का है.
Shivpuri hai.
ये नाम भी कितने सुंदर है.
So everybody should keep Radha and Krishna
नाम क्या है?
Vigrah in their home. So this place name is Sagarpur.
कौन सा सागर है ये?
Which sagar is this?
बोले प्रेम सागर.
It is Prem Sagar. Prem Sagar.
प्रेम सागर.
वाह वाह. अरे ताली तो बजाओ भैया.
सागरपुर में आई, सागरपुर में रहने वाली. ये कौन सा सागर है?
Prem Sagar. Which sagar is this? This is the ocean of love.
इसलिए प्रेम सागर में डुबकी लगाना पड़ेगी.
So drown yourself into
कोई
the
डुबकी नहीं लगा.
ocean of love.
और हीरे मोती कहाँ से मिलेगा?
So where you will find the jewels in when you drown yourself in the ocean of love, then you will find out Radha Krishna the jewels.
पानी में आपको
डुबकी लगाना पड़ेगा.
डुबकी लगाना पड़ेगा. बहुत अच्छा. ये स्थान की नाम बताया.
So this place name is very nice.
और क्या बताया? शिवपुर.
Shivpuri.
क्या पुरी?
Shivpuri.
शिवपुरी. वाह.
Wow. Very nice name. Shivpuri.
ये तो महादेव के स्थान कहो.
So this is the name of the place name of Mahadev. Shivlok is Shivpuri. Kailash is Shivpuri.
महाराज.
बोलो शिवजी महाराज की जय.
वैष्णव बिना भगवत दर्शन नहीं होता।
So without the Vaishnav, no one can get the darshan of Bhagwan. So Vaishnavanam Yata Shambhu. So until we are not getting the mercy of, until we are getting the mercy of Shiva, we cannot get the darshan of Radha Krishna. So Shivji is Vaishnava. It is explained in Bhagavatam, Vaishnavanam Yatha Shambhu. Shiva is the topmost Vaishnav. So Shivji is the topmost Vaishnav amongst all Vaishnav. Shivji.
शिवजी महाराज की
Jai. Hope you are getting.
शिवजी की कृपा हो जाए,
Am I audible to you?
रावण में रासस्थल में प्रवेश हो जाए।
So if you are getting the mercy, if you get the mercy of Shivji, then you can get the
तो क्या मतलब
gate pass of Vanshivat.
वंशीवट,
So-
वंशीवट से
So
वट नहीं।
Vanshivat so but nahi.
जितने वृंदावन में जितने स्थान है,
So there are many places in Vrindavan. Which is the topmost place in Vrindavan? Vanshivat.
वंशीवट से वट,
Vanshivat so but nahi.
वंशीवट के पास ही बोलो शिव जी महाराज के स्थान,
Gopeshwar
बोलो
Mahadev.
गोपेश्वर महादेव।
So near Vanshivat there is a place of Shivji Maharaj, that is Gopeshwar Mahadev. So if you are not getting the mercy of Gopeshwar Mahadev, you cannot enter into Vanshivat, the Ras Stali. Have you been to Vrindavan?
कौन-कौन दर्शन किया?
So who have taken the darshan of Vrindavan? Gopeshwar Mahadev.
रमन बिहारी गौरी मठ में भी
So if you haven't take the darshan of Gopeshwar Mahadev Vrindavan, you should go to Raman Bihari Gaudiya Math, Delhi. So there is Gopeshwar Mahadev also. Vrindavani Pate Jai Som Som Mole Danda Sananda Narki
गोपीश्वर
Vajraso
जुगांगी पद में प्रेम प्रजस्यति गुरुपादि नमो
नमो नमः।
हाथ जोड़ करो,
हाथ जोड़ करो, शिव जी को प्रणाम करो. Everybody is
कृपा नहीं
doing.
होगी, गोपेश्वर महादेव पर कृपा नहीं होगी,
So if you are
रमन बिहारी के दर्शन नहीं होगी।
if you are not able to get the mercy of Shivji, the Gopeshwar Mahadev, you cannot get the darshan of Raman Bihari.
प्रणाम करो,
So go and do pranam to Gopeshwar Mahadev
फिर रमन बिहारी
and then take the darshan of Raman Bihari. So, Raman Bihari.
बोलो राधा रमन गिरिधारी, गिरिधारी संयम बनमारी, मेरो राधा रमन गिरधारी, गिरधारी श्याम बनवारी, मेरो राधा रमन गिरधारी, गिरधारी संयम बनवारी, ओ मेरो राधा रमन गिरधारी, गिरधारी श्याम बनवारी, मेरो राधा रमन गिरधारी, गिरधारी श्याम बनवारी, ओ मेरो राधा रमन गिरधारी, गिरधारी श्याम बनवारी, वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय, जय जय श्री राम। यहाँ से देखो 5 रुपया देकर क्या रमन बिहारी गौरी में लेकर चल।
So just pay 5 rupees to auto wala and get the darshan of Gopesh Mahadev and then take the darshan of
दर्शन किया,
Raman Bihari ji ki and then take the darshan of Raman Bihari.
आप बताओ वृंदावन पहुंच गए कि नहीं?
So now you have reached to Vrindavan.
जाने के लिए आपके कितना पैसा खर्च होगा?
Only 5 rupees.
400 रुपया खर्च होगा।
नहीं,
कितने पैसे खर्च होगा?
5 रुपए.
हाँ?
Vrindavan का Vrindavan 400 रुपए.
जाने के लिए कितने पैसे
So if you are going
गाड़ी से
डिपेंड करता है कैसे जा रहे हो.
500 रुपये खर्च होता है।
3000
हाँ?
3000 गाड़ी से जाएंगे 3000
If you are going to Vrindavan, how much money you will pay?
गाड़ी से जाए तो 5000 रुपये लगेगा।
If you are going by car, your own car, then you will spend 5,000. And if you are going by the metro, then you will get 500. And from here, and if you are going to Raman Bihari Gaudiya Math, you reach to Vrindavan.
महादेव के दर्शन हो गया और
And then you take the darshan of Gopeshwar Mahadev
ठाकुर जी के रूप
in just 5 rupees only. And you will get the prasad also there.
है कि नहीं? काल एकादशी, काल एकादशी
Parson. So day after tomorrow there is Ekadashi.
और सब कुछ मिल जाता है।
You will get everything.
देखो इतने सुंदर, इसलिए हम इससे कार्य देखो।
That's why I'm telling you. Mahadev, Gopeshwar Mahadev.
स्थान आपके नाम रखा गया शिवपुरी।
And this place name is Shivpuri. Very nice
शिवजी
name.
महाराज
So,
की
Shivji Maharaj ki jai.
शिव शब्द के अर्थ ही होता है मंगल में सत्यम शुभम सत्यम
Shivam Sundaram. So the meaning of Shiva is Satyam Shivam Sundaram.
अर्थ है वो सत्य स्वरूप है।
Shivji is Satya Swarupa. He is auspicious.
ये मंगल और सत्य स्वरूप कौन है? स्वयं भगवान।
Who is Mangal and Satya Swarup? Shiva Bhagwan.
स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण।
Bhagwan Krishna himself, he is auspicious. He is Mangal. So he has given his name to all the Devi Devtas.
श्रीमती राधिका अपने नाम सारे देवियों के दिए।
And Srimati Radhika gave her name to all the Devis. And Krishna gave his name to all the Devtas.
राधा जी के जो नाम जो
So there are 1108 names of Radhika Rani. So she has given all her name to the Devis. Radha Sahasranam.
उसमें लिखा है।
So it is mentioned in the Radha Sahasranam.
देवियों के नाम दिए।
So Radha ji gave her name to all the Devis. Maybe Kali,
सब किसका
Durga.
नाम है? राधा जी।
Whose name is this? Radha ji's name.
और वो सब नाम देवी को दिए। और स्वयं कृष्ण भी
And Krishna himself,
अपने नाम सब देवता को दिए।
Krishna himself gave his name to all the Devtas, demigods.
ये शिव जो है नाम मंगल जो नाम एक किसके ओरिजिन में किसके नाम है? मूल नाम
So
किसके
the
है?
Shiv name is Shiv means auspicious. The original name is Vrindavan Bihari. It's the original name of Krishna.
कृष्ण जी नाम किंतु लोग समझ नहीं पाते।
So people are not able to understand. So they are performing bhakti to other Devi Devatas. So that's why
देवता जगन्ते
Krishna said in Gita,
देवी माँ में पंक्ति जगन्ते अविधि
Purvakam.
जो जितने देवताओं के लोग
So you are worshipping demigods and
किसकी होती है?
Devis.
कृष्ण की पूजा हो जाती है।
So actually you are performing puja of Krishna, but this is
विधि के अनुसार
it is not the Vidhi Purvak. It is not in a right process. Indirectly you are performing the bhakti of the worshipping of Krishna.
सर्वदेवे सरेश्वर इतरे ब्रह्म रुद्रद्दा नाभक्कया कदाचन। सारे देव देवी क्या करो? सम्मान करो।
So pay respect to all the demigods.
कोई कहते ना आ रही ये देवी की पूजा करते ये कहते नहीं ऐसे।
No,
सारे
pay respect to all the demigods.
काली शिव दुर्गा
Kali, Shiv, Durga,
है, जितने भी देव देवी चंडी
Chandi.
ये सब देव देवी हम क्या है?
So they
सब
all
भगवान की सेवक
they all are the servants of Bhagwan.
और
They are performing
आपका वही सेवक है।
service of Krishna. So Vayu Devta. Let's suppose take an example of Vayu
जल
Devta.
के अधिष्ठात्री देवता जल देवता वरुण देवता।
There are many Devta, Jal Devta, Varun Devta.
बारिश नहीं हो
So if there is no rain, you are not able to survive. You will get so much hot. There will be no grass. There will be no plants. Guy will not give milk.
फसल जमीन में फसल नहीं आई
So
तो बारिश की जरूरत है कि नहीं है?
the rain is so much necessary. So that's
वायु
why
देवता हवा
so
देवता,
Varun Dev, the
तो
Devta of
हवा
Jal,
बंद हो जाए,
water,
क्या होगा?
we pay respect to him.
आराम हो जाए।
So if there is no oxygen, no air in the
इसलिए
environment, so you will die. So that's why never criticize any Devi Devta.
वो पागल,
Always
कभी देव देव के निंदा
pay
करनी
respect
चाहिए।
to them. Never criticize Devi Devta.
सम्मान करो,
Always pay respect to them.
हैं? सम्मान करना चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए?
Yes, you should pay respect to all the demigods.
जैसे देखो हमारे घर में माता पिता है,
Let's suppose it is
ससुर है,
father, parents in our house. We have sister-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law. We should pay respect to
न
everybody.
केवल कहते हैं, हमारे पति हम दो और
हमारे
हमारे
दो।
दो। मतलब क्या?
We shouldn't say like this. Me and my wife and our 2 children
और
only.
एक बेटा है और एक बेटा है।
One.
और सास ससुर के क्या करो? घर से निकाल दो।
So there are many family members in the house. So we should pay respect all of them. We pay respect to our father-in-law, mother-in-law. Okay. Always remember these things.
आप निकाल दोगे सास ससुर के, आपके बेटा भी देख रहा है, बेटी
If
भी
you
देख
kicked out your parents from their house, so the same thing will happen to you.
इसलिए सबके आदर करना हम सीखें।
So we should pay respect to everybody.
सबको क्या करें? आदर करना सीखें।
We should pay respect everybody according to their
एक घर
level.
में जो है
So
एक बेटा था,
there was a house.
बेटा था,
So there was a son there.
और शादी हो गया,
He got
बहू
married.
आई।
So the wife
बहू
came.
जो है देखा क्या उसके सास ससुर वृद्ध हो गया।
So the lady who came in the house, she saw that the parents of the house are so much
ये तुम्हारे
you know
और क्या करते हैं?
old. So they are always screaming. They are saying this and that. So my little son is not able to sleep. So now what to do? So just do one thing: kicked out your parents from the house. So the son, he was totally controlled by the wife. So he said,
नीचे एक कमरा है ना,
so there is a
बिल्कुल जीने के नीचे होते हैं ना, एक छोटा सा कमरा होता है,
basement.
पिताजी के वहीं पर रखते।
So do one thing: you keep your parents in the basement. They used to give.
पत्थर के जो है वो कटोरी होता है,
So there is a bowl of stone.
पत्थर के कटोरी होता है, वो भी थोड़ा सा टूटा फूटा था।
So that was
और उससे
a bowl of a stone. They used to feed in that plate, in that bowl, to their parents.
पिताजी सोचने लगे,
So Pitaji thought,
मेरा तो एक बेटा है,
so I have only one son. However he is treating me, I can be satisfied. But after some time, what
क्या
happened?
हो गया?
Pitaji got died. The father got died.
पिताजी सोची छोड़ दिया।
He left his body.
और
Then what
बेटा
happened?
बहू ने क्या की, उस कमरे को अच्छी तरह से
So what the
जब कर रहे हैं,
husband and wife did? They cleaned all the house, and
और उसको बाहर
there was a bowl.
और उससे छोटा जो बेटा है ना,
There was a bowl.
बोले नहीं,
So they
इसको
used
करना पड़ेगा, इसको बाहर
to keep that bowl outside. They are throwing that bowl to outside. But
दादा तो चला गया।
so there was a grandson of that
तो छोटा बच्चा कहने
father. So what he said, do not throw this
इसी कमरे में आप
bowl of
नहीं रखना।
stone, because however you have feed your father, so in the same way I will feed you in this plate, in this bowl.
हम इसलिए कहते हैं,
So that's why I used to say one thing.
माता-पिता के सम्मान करना।
So we should pay respect to our
जो
parents.
माता-पिता के सम्मान करना
If you are not able to pay the respect to your parents,
वो गुरु वैष्णव भगवान
so how they can serve Guru and Vaishnava and Bhagwan?
चैरिटी बिगिंस
At home.
एट होम।
Charity begins at
हम
home.
घर में जो सीखते हैं,
So whatever we have learned from house,
वही तो आगे जाकर भी सीखेंगे ना,
so we will
आचरण
learn
करेंगे।
ahead.
इसलिए
In the same way,
हम माता पिता के सम्मान करें,
so we should pay respect to our parents,
देवताओं के भी सम्मान
and then
करें।
that's why we should pay respect to
और फिर
demigods
जाकर के
and
गुरु के
demigoddess,
सम्मान करेंगे।
and then
फिर वैष्णव के सम्मान
we
करेंगे।
should pay respect to our Guru and Vaishnava and Bhagwan. So we should pay respect to everybody according to their
सबके
level.
सम्मान करना सीखो पहले।
So always learn how to pay respect to everybody.
सहन करना पड़ता है।
You have to tolerate many things. Do not do not disrespectful to everybody. That's why it is said in Bhagavatam.
सर्वदेवेश्वरेश्वरो इतरे ब्रह्म रुद्राद्दा नामज्ञा कदाचन। हरि श्री हरि सर्वश्रेष्ठ है।
So Hari is the topmost.
अब स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण,
So Bhagavan Krishna, he is topmost himself. Nobody is equal and greater than him.
भगवान श्री हरि के कहाँ बैठाओ? सर्वोत्तम आसन पर बैठाओ।
So give him place on the top
और सारे देव देवियों के कहाँ रखो?
and put all the demigods and demigoddesses under
एक आसन पर
Krishna.
नहीं बैठता है।
They cannot sit on one place
घर के मालिक और
because
नौकर,
so the master of the house and the servant of the house cannot sit at the same place.
हैं? घर के नौकर के आसन नीचे बैठो।
So you should give the asan, the place to the servant of the house
ये सब
down.
मालिक कौन है?
And who is the master of everybody? Krishna. Krishna is tu Bhagwan Swayam. Krishna is the master of everybody.
लाल की
Jai.
इसे कहते हैं सर्वश्रेष्ठ।
Krishna is Sarveshwara. He is the Ishwar. He is the controller of everybody. Shri Hari is the controller. Krishna. He is Bhagwan. So do not pay respect equally to everybody, but pay respect to according to their level. So there is the president's asan, president's seat is different. Ministers' seat is different, and MLA's MP's seat is different. So there is no same place for everybody. So if you go to school, so there is a teacher. He sit on a chair. So he sit on a top, and the students sit below on the floor. So this is the culture of India. This is the tradition of India. So if you put the asan to all demigods and Bhagwan equally, it means you are disrespecting them. This is Mayavad. So if you are putting the asan to all the demigods and Bhagwan equally, or Chaupat Raja, so everybody is equal. No, everybody is not equal. If you go to a shop, there was a guru. I am telling you one story, one katha. There was a guru and disciple. They used to go in a village. Guruji said, listen to my carefully. Guruji said, bring some ingredients from the market. I will cook something. So what happened? What Gurudev did? So he gave the money to the disciple, to Chela. He went to the market. So everything was there in the market. So what he said, there is a khaja. So what is the cost of this khaja? 2 rupees. So the shopkeeper said everything is 1 rupees. You can take from 1 rupee. So what is the cost of cheese? He said 1 rupee. So everything is just cost only 1 rupee. So the disciple, he was thinking, why should I eat this rice and pulse? I should eat paneer. So he bought 1 kg paneer, and Gurudev asked, I told you that take the rice, pulse and everything. So he said, Gurudev, I went everywhere, and he said that the cost of everything is 1 rupee. Paneer also 1 kg, 1 rupees kg. So that's why I took paneer. Gurudev said, do one thing. So what Gurudev said, just pack your luggage and go away from here, because if there is no difference, everybody is equal, everything is equal, so it means it is harmful to you. You will get so much harm here. You can be died here, because the ruling person of this village is not good. So Gurudev said, the disciple said that Gurudev, there are many disciples you have, they are giving you so many kinds of things, banana, mango and many things. So you are getting these all things, but how can I get paneer, the cheese? So Gurudev said, this is dangerous, don't stay here. If there is 1 rupees kg paneer, 1 rupees kg is dal, 1 rupees kg chawal, rice. So if the cost of everything is same, so it means it is harmful. So the disciple, he was not able to understand anything. He said, no, I will stay here. I will stay here. Gurudev said, okay, if you don't want to listen to me, just stay here. And Gurudev disappeared and he left that place. And while he was going, he said, if you face any kind of trouble, please remember me. Then in this world, Guru, who is nobody is your true friend in this world. Remember always one thing: nobody is true friend in this world except Guru. Guru is the topmost friend of yours. If you have money, people will ask, "How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you?" When you have money, people will ask you, "How are you?" And if you don't have money, nobody will ask you, and they will say, "Who are you?" Oh.
अच्छा आ जाओ। गुरुजी ने क्या की? चले गए।
And Guruji left that place. And what Chela did?
और रोज पनीर खाना शुरू किया।
And the Chela, the disciple, started to eat
उसका नाम था वैष्णव दास।
paneer. Earlier his name was Vaishnav Das.
याद रखना।
Earlier his name was Vaishnav Das.
उसके नाम क्या हो गया? पनीर दास।
And now he is eating paneer every day, and his name became Paneer Das.
मोटा हो गया।
And he became so
बिल्कुल पतला था।
fat. He became so fat.
पनीर खा करके कितने हो गया?
And he was so thin, but after eating so many everyday paneer, he became so fat. So fat. इसकी charging? हाँ, charging.
कितना हो गया? 3.5 कुंटल हो गया।
So he became so fat, and he got so much weight.
एक दिन क्या हुआ?
One day what happened?
एक दिन कुछ चोर जो है राजा की भंडार में।
So one day some thieves came into the storeroom of the Raja, of the king of that village.
उसके पीछे दौड़ने लगे और किंतु वो चोर इधर उधर घूमते घूमते कहाँ बाहर चले गए।
So when that thief entered into the store and he theft something,
भंडार में आ गया।
he stole something from there. So and he left away. So the police came, but they were not able to find out that thief. So one man of the king's army, they went to king and asked, Maharaj, there was one thief came in the night and he left something. So and he left away. Nobody was able to catch him, caught him. Nobody was able to catch him. So when Raja's soldiers go here and there, and they found that was the same thief who was the disciple of that Guru, the Paneer Das. So if there is there anybody, they have 300 kg weight. It is just a story I am telling you. And then police came and caught him, that Paneer Das. And Raja said, "Oh, you came into our storeroom and you stole something." He said, "No, Maharaj, I am Vaishnav Das." "No, you are not Vaishnav Das, you are Paneer Das. Now you are trying to become a sadhu. Hut, you are Paneer Das." And our police, our army said that you came at night time and you stole something from here. The king said, "Do one thing, give him." So hang him on a suli. And he started crying, "No, Maharaj, I never stole anything. I am not a thief. So whatever I get, the donation I used to get paneer of that." So Raja said, no, our army said that you came in the night and you stole something from our store. So king asked that, "What is your last wish? Please tell me, because you have to hang till that." So the disciple was thinking, because when Gurudev was going, he told one thing, that whenever you face any kinds of trouble, always remember me. Please remember me. So when he was going to kill, so he said that, "I want to meet my Gurudev." Raja said, "They find out his Gurudev." And the soldiers
ये आपके चेला विपत्ति में पड़ी हुई है।
went to Guru and they said that your disciple is going to kill because he has stole so many things from our store. And Gurudev came and he said that he is my disciple because he was thin earlier, but now he's become so fat.
और अभी पनीर खाता है।
So eating paneer every day, he became so fat. So now he has become, he was Vaishnav Das. He has 50 kg weight. Now he has 300 kg weight, and he has become Vaishnav Paneer Das.
हैं? पहले तो पहचान में नहीं आ रहे।
So the Guru was not able to recognize his disciple.
हैं? अच्छा चलो।
So
गुरु कहने लगे बेटा तुमको
Guru
मैंने
said,
कहा था
I
ना,
told you one thing when I was leaving, when there is no when everything is equal, it means you shouldn't stay there. How you can get
कितने पैसा किया?
paneer only in 1 kg? No, you cannot. So in Delhi,
300 रुपया किलो बता।
so there is 300 rupees kg paneer in Delhi,
और वो 1 रुपये में पनीर।
and he was getting only just 1 kg.
मैंने कहा था ना बेटा यहाँ पर रहना नहीं है।
So I told you that don't stay here. It is not the safe place for you.
बोले गुरुदेव जो हो गया।
So he said, Gurudev, whatever happened, please save me now because I am going to kill.
गुरुदेव कहने लगे एक काम कर।
Gurudev said, do one thing.
मैं तुमको मन में कान में एक मंत्र
I am
देता हूँ।
giving you 1 month into the year. Do not share with anyone.
गुरुदेव कहने लगे एक काम कर।
Gurudev said, do one thing.
तुम्हारे जब करेंगे ना तो मैं कहूँगा ये महाराज मैं बैठूंगा और तुम कहना ये मैं बैठूंगा। इसके बाद
So when you are going to kill, so I will say, I will sit, I will, please kill me. You say, please kill me.
बैठाना था।
So when the Raja, the soldiers was going to kill,
उसको लेकर के आओ सिल्ली में बैठाओ।
Raja said, go and give him,
और उसके गुरुदेव कहने लगे महाराज
kill him.
मुझे बैठाइए।
So the
और शिष्य कहने लगे नहीं नहीं गुरुदेव,
disciple said, kill me,
मैं बैठूंगा।
and Gurudev said, kill me.
और गुरु
Both
और चेला,
were
ऐसे
arguing each other.
ठेला-ठेली करने लगे। बोले, गुरु
No,
कहने
kill me.
लगे,
Guru
मैं
said, kill me.
सिल्ली में
The
मैं
disciple said,
बैठूं।
kill me.
और चेला बोले मैं सिल्ली में बैठूं।
So both were doing the same
राजा
thing.
बोले कि कोई सिल्ली
Ra-
बैठना कोई चाहता है।
Raja said,
इसके
why
गुरु
they are
क्यों
doing,
करना चाहते हैं?
why this Guru is going
गुरु
to
तो चोरी नहीं किया, चोरी
asking
किसने
for
किया?
death.
चेले ने किया।
So there is no fault of Guru. Why? There is no fault of Guru. Why he wants to be, he is
तो
asking
गुरु
for
के
death.
राजा ने कहा था आप क्यों बैठना चाहते हो?
So the king asked that why you would like to kill yourself.
ये बहुत गोपनीय कथा है।
So the Guru said, this is very, very mysterious
बोले,
katha.
बताओ।
So he said, tell
बोले,
me.
महाराज
He said,
सुनिए,
Maharaj, listen to
ये
me.
सूली जब बनाया था ना
When this Suli was
उस
made,
समय ऐसे महंग जोग अमृत जोग और इतने जोग एक साथ में मिल गया
there was many kinds of yoga became that if someone who sit on this Suli, on this arrow, they will go to heaven. So that's why we are fighting each other. I will sit on this Suli, this arrow, you will sit on this arrow. So if somebody who sit on this Suli, this arrow, they will go to heaven directly because there are many kinds of yoga in this arrow. I said, oh, right, really?
बात सही है। बोले हाँ जी।
If it is true, then don't do you. I should sit on this Suli on this arrow.
मैं सीढ़ी में बैठ जाऊँ और सीढ़ी में स्वर्ग में पहुंच जाऊँ।
So I will go to the heaven. That's why we are fighting each other. That I will sit on this arrow,
आपकी मृत्यु
Suli.
होगा तो आप अपने
You will
आप
sit
जाओगे।
on this arrow, on this Suli.
और मैं तो कोई भजन साधन नहीं किया तो मैं सीढ़ी में बैठ करके मैं सीढ़ी चले जाता हूँ।
So
राजा कहने लगे
Raja
अरे
said,
नहीं नहीं
do
ये
one
दोनों
thing.
चले गए, दोनों की निकाल दो ये
So this Guru and Chela, the disciple and the Guru,
और राजा ने
just
क्या
leave
किया?
them.
अपने
And
जल्लाद को बोले
and he
"आओ,
told to his
मुझे ये
soldier,
बता दो, सीढ़ी
please
में मुझे बैठा।"
make me sit
तो राजा
on
सीढ़ी में
this
बैठ गए,
Suli, in this
और
arrow.
गुरु और चेला
And
गुरु के भागे।
and then king, he seated on this arrow and he was killed.
इसलिए कहा जाता है
So that's why it is said.
अरे जो लोग कहते हैं, सब बराबर
So who
हैं।
used to say that everything is equal, everybody is equal? No, this is Mayavad. This is Mayavad. Nobody is equal.
उसी प्रकार
You should pay respect according to their level. Nobody is equal.
भगवान श्री हरि
Bhagwan is Hari. Krishna is topmost.
हरि देवो सदानंद सर्वदेव
Hari is topmost.
इतरे ब्रह्म रुद्रदा नावज्ञान प्रदान कोई दुर्गा हुक्म मत करो सेवक सेविका है
So always pay respect to every demigods and demigods.
सबके एक आसन पर मैं मत बैठो।
demigod is, but not put everybody on a same asan, same place. Radha Govind, he is topmost.
राधा कुंड की चरण कमल के नीचे हमें बैठो।
So, in the lotus feet of Radha Krishna, you can give asan to demigods, and if you are giving the same asan, the same place to all their demigods and demigoddess,
जहाँ पर सब एक बराबर समझते हैं, पर सब एक है।
no. If people are thinking that everybody is equal, all are equal.
आपके हाथ के कितने उंगली
There
हैं?
are 5 fingers in your hand,
हाँ?
but all are not equal.
एक हाथ क्या? दो हाथ नहीं? कितने हाथ हैं? चार हाथ हैं, कितने हाथ हैं?
अरे भैया, ओ
देखो, हमारे हाथ में
so there are 5
दो हाथ हैं, दाएं और बाएं दो हाथ।
there are 5 kinds of, there are 5 fingers in our hand.
अच्छा, कितने उंगलियां हैं आपके पास?
So how many fingers you have in your hand? 5.
आप गिना नहीं जानते।
So you are not able to.
अरे कितना उंगली है आपके पास?
4,
अरे यार, इसमें 5, इसमें 5,
5 कितने हो गए? 10.
कितनी उंगली है?
पैर में कितनी हैं?
कितने हो गया?
20.
तो फिर
So how many fingers you have in your whole body?
हो जाता है ना, सब एक ही है, सब एक ही रेट, सब एक ही रेट है। हाथ में सारे उंगलियां एक है कि नहीं?
All are the fingers are the same on your one hand? No, these are equal.
छोटी बड़ी है कि नहीं?
Every fingers is different from the other one.
ये छोटा, ये पतला भी है।
This is thin. This is so many. There are many difference.
अलग-अलग
So-
indicate देता है। इसको क्या कहते हैं? थंब का कहते हैं।
This is thumb.
इसको भी साइज अलग है।
This is the size of this thumb is different.
अपने थंब को दिखाओ।
Show your thumb, everybody.
हैं? विदेश में ऐसे करते हैं लोग, अच्छा करते हैं। और हमारे इधर ऐसे करते हैं लोग,
Thenga कहते
हैं? मानते कि नहीं होते? विदेश में जाओगे,
When you go to foreign country, if you say show your thumb, they will say, oh, it's okay, it's done.
well done,
Yeah, you have done well.
हैं? और इधर ऐसे
And if you say in India, so people will say, oh, he's making disrespecting me.
हम इसलिए कह रहे हैं, हमारे उंगली भी
So why I'm saying all these things, because our fingers are not same. So there is a different sizes. There is a difference in our fingers, in our hand. So how can everything will be equal? How can all the demigods and demigoddesses can be equal? So you should pay the respect according to their level, according to their
सब बराबर है,
place.
सब एक है।
no.
उसके विचार ठीक नहीं।
So if someone is saying that everyone is equal, no.
यहाँ पर कितने लोग बैठे हैं?
So we are sitting many people here, but no one. We are not equal. One is Purush, one is Istri, one is Valak, brother, sister. So everybody are different.
कोई पतला है, कोई मोटी है।
Someone is thin, someone is fat, someone is tall, someone is shorter. So we are not equal. The people who used to say that we are equal, it means they are saying Mayavad philosophy.
संसार वैचित्रमय कहा जाता
So
है।
this why this there are there are many kinds of varieties in this world.
इसे सबको बराबर मत समझो।
So that's why nobody is equal.
जैसे अधिकार है,
So
प्रकार
so pay respect according to their level.
इसे कहते हैं राधा कृष्ण गोविंद अमर पे।
So the Radha Krishna Govind are the topmost. All the demigods and demigoddesses are different. So the time has
कीर्तन करो और
now.
फूलों की वृष्टि कर दो।
So perform little bit kirtan and take prasad, Mahaprasad, and go to your home
और फिर शाम को हरि कथा
and listen to the Harikatha in the evening time. Okay, बोलो वृंदावन मेरी लाल की जय. Radhe. Make hope you got the meaning of the translation today. Hare Krishna.
वो लाइट ये जनरेटर से
अरे इसका तार लिया तुमने माइक का ऊपर से वो माइक का तार लिया है. हाँ चलो जय जय श्री राधे श्री गुरुदेव की जय. कृष्णा कृष्ण